children, how's your day? Okay? Good morning, everyone. Okay. Today is Tuesday, our science. Okay, I'm your teacher again, Teacher Edeth. We are on our third quarter. We are on our week 2. Our lesson for today, it's all about more about matter. Okay, what's all about this? So I will explain to you more about matter. So listen very carefully as I explain to you, children. Okay, very good. So changes in matter. Okay, have you heard of a climate change in news? Changes or chances are you have. In this age and time, this every country's issues. The melting of the polar caps will later affected all areas on Earth with resulting rising sea levels. The meltdown on the polar caps is one significant example of a solid turning into a liquid with rising temperatures due to an environmental problem called global warming. Okay. So water may changes from one form to another given extremes in a temperature like freezing point, which is 0 degree centigrade. Okay. We will learn that matter can change from one form or phase to another. As a change takes place, does the mass and the weight of a matter change as well? Okay, let's find out. Okay, children. Okay, from solid to liquid. Example is this, the ice or ice cube. Okay, what did you notice all about the example of ice? Okay, it's the solid, the ice becomes solid if you go or if you in the refrigerator. Inside the refrigerator. Okay, children. If it is melting already, it becomes like this. The water will be or it will become solid. So, that's the example of from solid to liquid. Okay, children, the ice cube. Okay. Okay, let's find out the from liquid to gaseous and back into liquid. That's our example is this, the iron. The pressure cooker. Okay, let's go back to the solid and liquid. From solid to liquid. Okay, from solid state, ice melts into a water just like an ordinary ice taken out of the freezer. As you can see, last picture that I introduced to you. From liquid, it may turn again into solid when put back into freezer. Okay, that's all about the solid to liquid. From solid state, ice melts into water just like an ordinary ice takes out of the freezer, melts into room temperature. From liquid, it may turn again into solid when put back into a freezer. So changes may be from solid to liquid or from liquid to solid. Okay, that's the example of the solid to liquid. So that's the example of an ice. Okay, let's start I will explain to you from liquid to gaseous and back into liquid. So water which puts its a boiling point turns into the stream. Stream in turn may liquefy, turn into a liquid again. This is an example of changes from liquid state to gaseous back into liquid. Okay, children, I will read it to you once again. Water when past its boiling point turn into steam, steam into turn may liquefy, turn into liquid again. This is an example of a changes from liquid state to gaseous and back into liquid. On the top of the streams in temperature, extreme pressure may also result in changes of state of matter. Can you think for a moment and try to give an example? Okay, the example is the pressure cooker. Okay? Ever heard of a kitchen equipment called pressure cooker? Okay? That you see in your screen. Okay, that's the pressure cooker. This is an example. The picture on the left shows what it looks like. Research on it on the internet or ask your mother about it. Be ready to describe how it works. Okay, so you can describe what's the happening in a pressure cooker. Okay, the gases will go outside, okay? So a more complicated situation where matter changes its phases. It's through a combination of temperature and pressure, but this will be taken up in a high. Okay. So that's all about from liquid to gaseous and back into liquid. Okay, children. So that's the more about matter. It can change it to solid to liquid to solid, and liquid to gaseous. Okay, so the matter can be changes. It can change. Okay, children. It's all about just children. Also, matter can be changes from solid to liquid, liquid to solid, liquid to gaseous. Okay, children? Okay, do you understand our lesson, children? Okay, very good. Okay, if you have question regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Okay, children, thank you for your listening.